As part of our 5 key areas of focus and as part of our mission to help drive equality, diversity and inclusion through every thread of the housing industry, Greenacre Recruitment has been working alongside women in social housing to help build a strong network in the east and the southeast of England for women across every strand of the sector to help develop each other's skills, abilities and career opportunities.
So we're here at the Snow Centre in Hemel Hempstead for our second Wish East networking event, and we've got Steph here, our co-chair. Steph, what is today's event about?
So today, the theme of our event today is about developing ourselves and each other, and what we're focusing on, there's 2 strands to that really. One is personal brand, so we've got a fabulous speaker talking about personal brand and really what that means for you and some tips and some tools to help you develop that on your career journey. And then the second theme is feedback, so we're exploring feedback, how you give feedback throughout your career and how you give feedback to other people, and actually what you do with feedback you get and how you use that.
Good afternoon everyone, can you hear us? That's never a problem for me, I don't usually need a microphone, but can everyone hear us at the back?
Helping to form, expand and develop these networks not only increases opportunities for women in the housing industry to break through the barriers traditionally faced in their career progression, it also helps to develop and nurture our future female leaders, gives up-and-coming professionals a helping hand up the career ladder, and gives access to the latest leadership, coaching and personal development tools and practices, which are helping to form not only the future of the housing industry, but the wider UK workforce. It also allows members of our network to share their career journeys and personal stories on a supportive public platform, which has inspired many of our delegates to push themselves forward into progressive opportunities that they otherwise would not have had the confidence to go for.
Journey in your career and how you started off in the military, the challenges and the obstacles you faced during that time, and how you managed to actually transfer a lot of those skills over to the housing industry and the repairs and maintenance industry. And I just wondered, sort of, what was your the key challenge that you could just sort of put in a snapshot for us that you faced, and how you managed to overcome that and make a difference in the housing industry?
I think the main challenge is kind of changing that perception that it's a male-dominated world, and actually that's not the case at all. And women absolutely have a place in repairs and maintenance and can thrive in that. And I think it's really important, like for days like today, where I can come and share that experience and promote other people going into repairs and maintenance.
Yeah, and it's great that you talked about how we should all be advocates for each other, and in our roles we can always pave the way for other women who are sort of coming up into the industry, following their career passions and sort of making it a bit easier for them to step into those leadership roles themselves.
Yeah, because many women don't think that it's even an option to them. So
that's right.
Maybe these days some people will change their minds. Let's change things.
Thanks a lot, Kelly.
Thanks.
It really is a real buzz at these events, and it's safe to say that among us are some truly exceptional future leaders. And at Greenacre, we believe it's everyone's job to create the opportunities for our very best talent to thrive.
Today I'm going to be talking to the delegates about personal branding, about how to make an impact, how to leave a lasting impression, and how to think about your audience and the context when you're in your interactions with people or making presentations.
Just talking about how I got to where I am now, where I started, and my journey really. And I've thrown a few life experiences in there to show that there are challenges that can be overcome.
It's in all our best interest to create a diverse and equal playing field, and to bring together our talented housing professionals in a place that they feel comfortable to share, support and build positive working relationships, so that our end service users and the housing industry as a whole can benefit.
That has made me a lot stronger. Could I have gone further in my career? Undoubtedly yes. If I'd have taken a different path, I don't doubt I would have done. Would I change any of it? Never. Living the dream.
As a professional myself, being part of this amazing network of women over just the last couple of years has given me access to many of my future professional partners and collaborators. It's allowed me to experience some of the very best business and personal development coaching tools, and it's given me the confidence to move out of my comfort zone into new career territory.
I'm really pleased today to be here over in Norwich, sponsored by Greenacre. Greenacre have contributed so much to Wish in the East of England. I really want to put a big shout out to the team who helped organise and establish the board. Without them, it just would not have happened. Alma and Laura are just massive players in this region, so thank you very much. But actually, these events wouldn't happen if it weren't for you sponsoring, so it's a big thank you from the board.
Thanks a lot, Emma. No, we've really enjoyed being part of the board and organising these events so far, and really enjoying sort of connecting with new women in our regions. And it's only the start of this journey, so really exciting times ahead, and hopefully more and more of you will join us throughout the year as well. Thanks a lot.
If you'd like to become part of the Wish network in your area, or you'd like to come to one of our events to see what all the fuss is about, contact us here at Greenacre or visit wishgb.co.uk to find out more.